Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Pay and signing in. Make sure you use the account that will manage payments. Tap Pay, choose Split Bill, then create group and give it a clear name. Add members immediately using phone numbers, emails, or contacts so everyone receives an invite. Once members are added, you should set the default payer or shared options. This makes later steps predictable and avoids confusion when you start assigning amounts or expenses to the group. Once the group exists, you enter the total and choose equal split or customize each person's share. You can also assign specific items to individuals. Attach photos of receipts for transparency and set a clear due date so everyone knows expectations. Make sure to adjust member roles. Assign a payer who will collect, give moderator rights to someone who manages edits, or set viewers if someone should only see updates. These permissions control who can change amounts or settle payments. You finalize by sending payment requests and watching the group activity so you can track who paid and who still owes. Use built-in reminders if people forget, and have members settle using linked bank accounts, cards, or UPI methods as supported. If something goes wrong, re-invite missing members or ask them to update their payment method. Also check account limits or verification requirements. If a payment fails, retry after confirming bank details and network connectivity to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.